As the storm rages, lightning splits the sky, revealing a devastated cityscape. Buildings crumble and debris flies. In the chaos, one survivor emerges, desperate for shelter. The survivor scavenges through the wreckage, heart pounding. Each choice is a gamble. Food or water? The weight of survival presses down. Every decision feels life-threatening. Suddenly, a pack of wild dogs appears, snarling and hungry. The survivor's breath quickens, trapped in a human path.